Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm making what I call Texas Super Bowl dip. It's a hot baked dip. So let's get started on Darlene's table. We have sour cream, cream cheese, jalapeno, green chilies, this corn, rotel, tomatoes and green chilies, green onion, and this is salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. We're going to start out by cooking this Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage. Now it says hot, but trust me, I can't do a lot of heat. It's not hot. It's got just a little more spices in it. All right, we're going to start out with 1 block of sour cream. That's 8 ounces. It's been softened. And 1 cup of sour cream. Now I'm going to blend these two together. Next will be the rotel, 14.5 ounce can, which I did drain. And the green chilies. 1 can of the steamed crisp corn. Now there's no liquid in this can, so it's a lot of corn. Or you can use frozen corn, but use a high quality corn. A shoe peg, a white shoe peg would be best. It's crisp. Now the jalapenos, green onion, and 4 ounces by weight of sharp white cheddar is what I used. Now cayenne, black pepper, and salt. I'm going to mix this well, and then I'm going to add the cooked sausage. Sausage is ready. I'm going to add it in 2 batches. Mix in between each batch. Here's the second half of the sausage. I'm going to mix this well, and then it'll go into the 8x8 lightly greased baking dish. Spread it out evenly in the baking dish. I'm only putting 1/4 cup of white cheddar on top. Now into the oven for 30 minutes at 425 degrees. Oh, just what we want. Hot, bubbly, and lightly browned on top. Let this sit for maybe 10 minutes. Texas Super Bowl dip. Recently, I was looking for a dip to make for the Super Bowl party, and of course I had to make it ahead so I could try it. I was very disappointed in it, so I took that recipe and changed it to make it more savory and gave it just a little zip, and I think I did just that. With spicy sausage, rotel tomatoes, jalapenos, and spices like cayenne, I think we really kicked it up a notch. But not too much. I can't handle too much heat, much to the contention of my husband, but I do like a little spice. This is a dip that you will be proud of if you want to make something for a party. It's really good, and I hope you will give it a try. You can find this recipe along with others like my crawfish balls, enchilada dip, or other recipes worthy of a Super Bowl party. So please go there and check out on my website, darlenestable.com. Also, before we go, if you like this video, well, you know what to do. Please hit the like and the bell buttons. It really helps my channel. I'd love to see you again right here on Darlene's Table.